The National Hauszmann Program is a truly inspiring and visionary undertaking that will give the heart of Budapest, the historic castle district, a new lease of life. Named after the outstanding Austro-Hungarian architect Lajos Hauszmann, who shaped the neo-Baroque appearance of the royal castle, this ambitious program is a shining example of the combination of historical heritage and modern functionality. Since its launch in 2014 and with a focus on the years 2019 to 2030, it has been bringing buildings, gardens and squares that were destroyed or neglected during the Second World War or the Communist era back to life with impressive care and attention to detail. This program is not just an act of restoration, but a powerful commitment to strengthening Hungarian identity, promoting cultural heritage and creating a welcoming space for locals and visitors alike. A masterpiece of reconstruction. The National Hauszmann Program goes far beyond mere construction projects. It is a celebration of Hungarian history and a promise for a bright future. By faithfully reconstructing historic buildings and integrating modern features, the Castle District is becoming a place that not only attracts tourists, but also gives Hungarians a sense of home and pride. The careful restoration of monuments underlines the appreciation of cultural heritage. The coming years promise more milestones. I will stay tuned for you. Many thanks to my Hungarian friends for the great pictures. If you like my videos, then subscribe to my channel here to see my latest videos. If you want to see another video directly, then click here. Interesting videos can also be found here.